po kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. This is another afternoon session kung saan we help businesses here in Pampanga promote their products through our Where in Pampanga community. And for today's restaurant, we would like to thank Boom Wings for allowing us to taste these amazing dishes. Actually, na-feature namin sila before ECU, and from their restaurant, guys, we were able to taste their amazing chicken wings. And right now, they have an amazing line of dishes and they call it Kaka Korean. Let's start with kanilang tteokbokki. Oh wow! And then they have this kimchi stew, which is really super eye-appetizing. Let's taste this first. Oh wow! Tikman din natin yung kanyang soup. That is super spicy. That is super spicy. So meron din silang spicy Korean chicken. This is the boneless thigh part. Let's taste it first without the dip. Oh, I like it. Another dish that they brought us is yung shawarma rice. Eto guys, shawarma rice. Ang susunod natin titikman ay ang kanilang aglio olio, and based on my experience with them, they are also expert in serving these kind of meals. And then another pasta they brought us is what they call Charlie in Red. Another meal they brought us is yung tinatawag nilang shawarma wrap. So inside our wrap, so meron tayong cabbage, meron din siyang french fries. It also has other vegetables like the tomatoes, onions, and then adding to the flavor, guys, is the marinated chicken. Actually, tinikman ko kanina yung just a piece of the marinated chicken. Oh wow! It's a complete meal in itself. So you have your protein, your carbohydrates, your vitamins from the vegetables, carbohydrates from the potato fries. That is really amazing. Let's put another. Taste it. Alright. So again, guys, I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up. So if you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to check out Boom Wings Kaka Korean series or Kaka Korean meals by Boom Wings. So for orders and inquiries, please call or text 0949-648-1100 or send them a message via Facebook or Instagram. Search for Jelly Ronquillo. You can also like their fan page. It's Boom Wings. And thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. I'm still gonna continue eating this. So guys, thank you for watching. Until our next video, until our next vlog, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.